Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and also welcome to a snowy mountain here in the middle of the Black Forest. And tonight is quite special because it is brutally cold. Already up here we have about -8 degrees, and according to the forecast it's going to drop down to -10 or -12 depending on the website you're looking. And some websites also say that the wind chill effect will go down as far as -20 degrees Celsius. So that's quite extreme. But I hope that I am prepared, at least good enough to survive up here. And yeah, it's so nice. I can hear the snow making these squeaky noises. That's always the case when it's very cold, as far as I know, and I really love it. Maybe in the course of this video, some of you will recognize this mountain because I was here last year to the Perseus meteor shower, and this is a quite nice spot in my opinion. And yeah, with snow it might be even better. So yeah, I will quickly scout the area a little bit and check out a spot for my tent, and then I will start setting up the first cameras and also the tent, and also get some more clothes on me because yeah, it is getting cold. Oh guys, this night is no joke. I can already feel that my fingers are getting numb by just having this thin merino wool glove on here. I really have to put on my big jacket now and also the second layer of gloves. Oh, this is extreme, and I might even have to use hand warmers and also foot warmers to keep my fingers and feet warm over the night. And yeah, it's actually quite a challenge here to find a spot for my tent because, as you can see here, everything here is covered in a approximately 30 centimeter layer of snow, and this makes it very hard to find a stable ground for my tent. But I really would love to have a shot with my tent, and it's also a nice protection against wind that I really need to have in order to get some sleep later and also stay warm. If I had to guess, then I would say we have about -10 degrees up here. And yeah, I finally found a spot for my tent. But first I have to get here in my big winter jacket because it is just too cold for this thin layer that I have on here. But I first want to set up the tent and just my sleeping setup, and then I will do the rest. So this spot right here is the only place I could find on this mountain where I have a flat ground and also a stable ground where there's like no grass or anything. And I really hope that this works. But yeah, I will only see when I set up everything. I really hope I remember how to set up this tent. So this is the finished product. It's not the prettiest, but it gets the job done. It should work decently. Oh, it is cold, guys. It is so cold. Oh, but guys, I have to say the sky is really good. And yeah, it will get even darker once all the nearby cities and small villages here turn down their lights or completely turn them off. But so far I can see the Milky Way clearly, and a lot of stars, a lot of contrast, and it will get even better. That's so nice. Man. Changing clothes is the most annoying part when you're out in the field and when it's cold. That's like the only comfortable thing about summer. It's warm and you really don't have to worry about your temperature that much. Oh, Oh man, why does this take so long all the time? Oh. Okay, I will now switch to the A7S so that you have some better low light video, and then I will quickly take a break and warm up. Oh, I'm so cold. So now it's the time of the night where I can finally focus on taking some images. I mean, it's still quite challenging, to be honest, because even with my 2 pairs of thick gloves on, when I'm having my fingers out, I can only work for like 1 or 2 minutes on the camera before the fingers get cold, and then I have to warm them up for a few minutes again. So that's going to be a bit challenging, and yeah, but otherwise I'm actually quite warm. These feet warmers, they work, and yeah, the only spot where I'm feeling cold is on the fingertips. But it's okay. I mean, as long as I feel them and as long as they don't hurt, it's alright. When I just feel a little bit cold, I can deal with that. I'm going to walk around and search for some compositions now. Yeah, so after walking around here for, I don't know, half an hour and figuring out what I want to do, and still not having a real plan what I want to do, I decided to set up the tracker here and do some deep sky in the meantime. I mean, not really deep sky, but I will use the 28 to 45 millimeter lens at 45 millimeters and zoom in on Cygnus and maybe on the Pleiades region for I don't know, half an hour, 1 hour each, just to get at least some images done. And then on the opposite side here, when Orion is rising, I can capture that over the tent and also over the just overall landscape here. So I don't want to lose too much time and set up this rig here. Yeah, so it's been a few hours now since I'm up here, and As you might have seen already, I captured some deep sky stuff. Well, I don't know if you can really call this deep sky, but some deeper integrations with 45 millimeters. So far everything runs smoothly. It is not cold. Like me personally, I don't feel cold. My hands are nice and warm. Also my feet are nice and toasty. I'm pretty sure that's thanks to these foot warmers. It is insane how well they work, and I'm so happy that I have 2 other pairs, and I'm pretty sure that I need a second pair later when I get back out of the sleeping bag. I think it's quite a tradition now at this point, at least for my winter videos here. It's tea time, and I'm really looking forward to this. And I'm only taking small zips. I mean, I would say it's about 50% full now. I really want to have something to drink later when I wake up, like something warm. Yeah, currently we have -12 according to some weather stations around here, and yeah, I'm really surprised that I feel good. I mean, I prepared for it. I got all the clothes that I need for these kinds of temperatures, but yeah, I really thought that I would freeze a little bit more, but that's not the case. That's quite cool. Now I have to find the perfect spot to set up the tripod for the shot with the tent, and I might go up here. Let's see. So yeah, Orion is perfectly above the tent now, and yeah, so that I have the correct alignment. That is really, really good. You know what, I want to make sure that everything is in focus, so I will quickly focus on a tree. At this point my microphone died again because of the cold, but I just talked about finding the best focus for the foreground. Anyway, here's the final result, and yeah, it's the first proper shot of this night. And as you can see, it turned out quite okay. I placed the tent in, at least my opinion, the worst spot of the entire mountain. But yeah, I had to place it there. Yeah, but I think it turned out quite okay. Now I'm focusing here on a small image with the tent and with the Big Dipper above it. And as far as I can see, we have a super, super strong air glow. Potentially in the entire sky, or maybe just around the Big Dipper. So I'm currently taking a lot of 15-second untracked exposures just to stack them later on. And I think after this exposure I will start to capture the foreground. This image will probably end up as a 3-panel Vertorama, and yeah, I'm really looking forward for that and how the overall image will look, especially with all this air glow. And yeah, with the illuminated tent, I actually placed my A7 III with the 24mm lens that I usually use for filming during the daytime, and set it up as a vertical time lapse for social media. And I really thought that the lamp inside the tent looked really cool, so I just kept it in there. I also just decided that I want to place myself in the panorama, and for that I'm just going behind the camera here and pretend like that I'm working with it. Okay, I really hope this shot is done, and I will quickly do another pose where I just sit behind the camera here. Maybe it will look nice, maybe not. I will see. Okay, that should be good. After I finished capturing this shot, I moved a few meters away from the base camp to capture a wide panorama of the winter circle that contains Orion, the Pleiades star cluster, Gemini, and all the beautiful H-alpha regions inside and, yeah, partially outside the Milky Way. The final result shows how good the skies were in this night, and you can also see a lot of the green and, yeah, just colorful air glow. But yeah, the lack of a very exciting foreground damped my excitement a little bit, and I would only consider this image good. But yeah, you can let me know in the comments down below what you think about this image. Yeah, quick update. I'm back at the base camp here, and yeah, I'm preparing myself now to go to sleep because I'm really tired, and it's almost 3 a.m. in the morning now. I really would like to get some more images, but yeah, I also have to use the darkness and get some sleep. I'm really sleepy right now, and I also have to drive home in the morning. It's a long way home, and yeah, I really just want to enjoy the rest of the night in my sleeping bag, honestly. There is a slight chance that I get a very colorful sunrise tomorrow, because just when sunrise happens, there is a weather change, I will call it. So lots of clouds will come from the west in here, and yeah, sunrise is over there in the east, and therefore it might look cool on photo and also with the naked eye. But yeah, I will see. I will give you an update sometime in the future in the morning. Wow, isn't this the most beautiful sunrise you could hope for? Oh my god, it worked out perfectly. Oh man, look at these colors. Oh, wow. Oh man, I'm so happy right now. I mean, even with the sun high up now, it is still so incredibly beautiful. Oh man, and I'm so happy that I have some hot tea from last night over, and I'm looking forward to have this now. But yeah, I think this video is slowly coming to an end. I really have to start packing up now and head down and yeah, drive home, because I have an appointment later and I really have to make this. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed the trip with me and the scenery. I mean, wow, what a trip. And yeah, I also hope that, or I hope that the images turned out the way I wanted them. And yeah, I'll start packing up now. So I wish you good luck on your next adventure, and peace, guys.